Within the ServiceNow ITBM product, Project and Portfolio Management is a suite of applications that provides a simple, team-oriented approach to managing IT projects. PPM supports the business unit and stakeholders from project conception to completion. This series of videos will walk you through the details. In PPM, a potential project starts with a request in the form of an idea, managed in the ideation module. The idea is vetted to ensure that it aligns with business goals and priorities. Feedback is then shared with the submitter of the idea. Approved ideas are promoted to demands, and in the demand management application, you can build out the business case for the demand with specific benefit and cost details, including resource plans needed to support the future project. The demand will be weighed against other demands and in-flight projects. After approval, the demand becomes a full-fledged project. The project management and resource management applications give you a comprehensive view of project progression and where resources are being requested and utilized. Specifically, the project management application details a project's task and resource assignments, milestones, and timelines with the goal of completing projects on time and within budget. This also includes utilizing project controls such as risks, issues, project changes, and project status reporting. And the resource management application provides transparency into requested and allocated resources and forecasted and actual labor costs. This visibility allows for maximum utilization of the resource teams and provides a window into future resource demands, enabling efficient resource capacity planning. These applications work together to provide additional functionality like tracking time worked against projects and driving information to users and stakeholders through project and resource reporting. Lastly, this series will highlight how PPM integrates with the IT Financial Management application suite to help you allocate, track, and report on project and portfolio budgeting, forecasting, and variance analysis. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.